Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. It is good to virtually be with you. I want to remind everybody of that it is April 2nd, that we have this next 2 days and then spring break, and then we come back to our actual presentations of the Global Issues Network project. Make sure you use your signups and are ready to go for those presentations, oral presentations. Our goals for today are on the screen here in front of you. You're going to complete your one-page fact sheet, and you're going to plan a 5 to 7 minute workshop. Now, I want to remind you again of another thing, that is that you mute your mics and use the chat feature politely. That if we start on time, we can end on time, and that your attendance will be recorded by completed work and your presence here, in addition to going at it and using the goals tab. Now, let's talk briefly about these goals and how you get here, how you get this work done. So I want to start by showing you guys kind of the steps to get there, and then we will move forward. So the first thing you've got to do is you've got to get into where are we? There we go. You got to get into your actual year. Once you're in your year, then you're going to be able to scroll down to My Class, go into Global Issues Network right here. Once you've done that, you'll go to the Plans tab right here. And you will see in the Plans tab you have day 6. You're going to go into day 6. And you've now got a whole bunch of materials that you can go through and use as examples. You are going to want to take a minute and watch the bad example here and answer those 2 questions. Answer those 2 questions. You're going to want to take 2 minutes to do that. You should pause right now, then you can do that. Welcome back, folks. I hope you had fun checking on those bad examples. Now it'll be time to go down and look at the first thing that we need to do. First thing we need to do is to finalize our one-pager. We need to make sure that we know what needs to be put together. So as a reminder, here's the key things that need to be in that one-pager. You need your top 3 cog skills there: synthesizing multiple sources, data interpretation, and evaluating arguments. Make sure that they're laid out as it's shown here, and then over here, and then generally over here. That's how that needs to be laid out. I do want to bring up one change, however. That comes up is that the reality is that we're not in the same situation where you're going to be able to do a handout. So if you want to move over to a Web 2.0 type of presentation and change your template to either a Prezi or a web page layout, or even a Google Slides, that might be a better choice for this online presentation that you're going to be sharing your screen. So you might want to change your format so that it looks more like this. It's more wide, it's more shaped like a screen, if that makes sense, because people that are going to be viewing it are going to be viewing it in more of this directional format. So go ahead and take and consider those options. So I'm going to give you guys some time to work on this. You're going to want to look at the checklist down here. This is a checklist here, and you're going to want to take a look at this is the finalized template here. This is a link to this template that I showed you right here, so you'll be able to pull that up. So take some time, give yourself about 30 minutes on this.